Macele's sister gave a speech at Macele's birthday. She says Macele is a strong woman, no one who can tolerate all those things. Musamseleku said he want to have polygamy, but Macele tolerate and accept other wives as her sister's wives. Macele's sister says she failed her marriage and came home to her parents' home, but Macele decided to stay on that marriage. She doesn't pack her bags. Macele is like a old person to her family. Everyone can listen to her than other people. Macele is younger than her sisters, but when she talks, they can listen to her everything and they can support her. So Macele have got a big support to her family, even her mother, because we saw Macele's mother on season 1 was the one who sit down with Macele and talk to Macele, but her old sister didn't listen because she decided to pack her bags and came home. She says Macele is stronger than us. Guys, Macele is being respected even in her community where she is grew up now. They respect Macele more than anything because of her decision. I love her sister a lot because she came out that she failed her marriage, but her younger sister Macele is younger than her sister, but she decided to stay on that marriage and accept other wives. So Macele's mother was very proud of her daughter, the way she took that decision. Macele accept that if she decides to leave her marriage because Musamseleku bring women and Musamseleku have got other kids out of the wedlock, she is going to marry another man who have got this worse attitude. Musamseleku is better because he can come true and clean, but other men, they are cheating on their wives outside there. So Macele took a good decision. Even her family members, Macele, when she talks at her family, everyone can listen to her. And Macele's husband have got money. Musamseleku, he have got money, so they can listen to Macele more than everything. We saw even her brothers, they love Musamseleku a lot. Are those people who are keeping demanding the wife number 5. That's why you saw Musamseleku when he took Makwela, he introduced Makwela to his sisters that this is Musamseleku's 50th wife. They respect. It's like maybe to Musamseleku it's family. It's like maybe his sisters like that because they are too close and they allow it. If it was other people, they don't allow the kind of the thing. We saw Mayene's parents. Mayene's parents, they don't give a support the way Macele's sisters, Macele's brothers, they give Musamseleku a support and demanding another wife. Are those people who are demanding the 50th wife and say abahamba bazohambayo sizosala siyincenga? Macele's family, Macele and her family are in demanding of the wife number 5, and they say Makwela is our own. You understand it? So guys, Musamseleku now, and they are happy together with Macele's sister. They don't have a problem. But when it comes to Mayene's family, because Makumalo's family and Macele's family, when it comes to Musamseleku, they are getting along. But now Makumalo's family, they don't get along with Musamseleku because of the way he is treating Makumalo now. That's why they don't talk to each other. But with Macele's family, they talk to each other. Mayene's sisters, they don't support Musamseleku's decision. Even until now, we saw Musamseleku had a conversation with the Mayene's sisters, but they don't allow such a thing, or to Musamseleku to ask them to bring the wife number 5, because I think Mayene's sisters, they're supposed to talk to Mayene, but Mayene is the kind of a person who doesn't listen to anyone like Macele. Macele, she is the kind of a person when yeah, parents, they can talk to her. Macele can listen to them. Macele's mother, you've got him. Guys, you have a big job to Macele to sit down with Macele and talk that she can't leave her marriage because her husband want to have polygamy.